Hello, I'm Rochelle Diamond, Chair Emeritus of Out to Innovate, and I'd like to introduce Tam Pham, who is a graduate student in biophysics at Dalhousie University in Canada. Tam is a winner of the 2020 Ben Barris Fellowships for Career Development, and I would love to have her tell us a little bit about herself. Tam?
Hi, my name is Tam. Thanks for having me here. I am, as introduced, a graduate student at Rainey Lab in Dalhousie University. I'm part of the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, and my research focuses on the interactions between a GPCR, G protein receptor, couple receptor, namely apelin receptor and its endogenous ligand, which are a collection library of apelin isoforms. And my research looking at the interactions of these two components of the apelinergic system, which can have a lot of implications in chronic illnesses and cancer tumor progression. So it's quite a therapeutic. It has a lot of therapeutic potential for future treatments, and there have been quite a few pharmaceutical startup looking at this type of system. So it's actually quite a promising system to look at, and it's really something that I have been pursuing ever since my master, that then later on made a transfer into my PhD. In the future, I do wanted to continue. I can see myself continue into doing a postdoc, potentially staying in Canada just because of the current situation with the pandemics, making it easier for travels and being closer to my family. But I also looking at a lot of different other medical biophysics labs that that have other potential scholarships, and my plan is to get fundings into my postdoc. The other plan I'm also looking at is looking into more advocacy, basically promoting and talking about giving more representations, especially for API folks, Asian Pacific Islander folks within STEM, and who are also queer and trans part of the community. I think that's something that I'm very passionate about. And I think that can really encourage a lot of folks, because oftentimes it's hard enough already for queer folks to get into STEM, and let alone a person of color and being openly out. So that's definitely something that I'm very passionate about. And what this fellowship means to me, it meant a lot. It meant that I'm being seen. I'm no longer in the background. I'm actually being brought forefront to receive such a cool scholarship fellowship, and it's also quite an honor, because Ben Barris is a transgender a neuroscientist who has made a lot of contribution into our community, and yet also having my name as a recipient for this fellowship, it just means that, I am recognized as part of this community, and also giving more voice to people of color, more marginalized folk like me. It's just really great. And I'm very, very thankful, to get this fellowship. It means a lot.
Well, it means a lot to have us be able to award these fellowships, especially to people like you. So thank you for being part of this and being part of our celebration. And I wish you well in the future, and I know you'll do well. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you.